All right. Hi, baby. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, then welcome, my loves. My name is Liv, and I normally do some beauty type videos, but I do want to do like more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle type videos. Pretty much, I just want my channel to be where I can film wherever I want. So this is going to be one of those more like lifestyle type fashion videos. I don't really know. But yeah, so recently my boyfriend and I moved into an apartment, and we did an empty apartment tour on our channel. So if you aren't following us already, I will link our channel down in the description, and definitely go check it out. So this video is going to be a fully furnished apartment tour. So if you'd like, you can check out the video on our channel. So it'll pretty much be a before of what this video is going to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump on into this video. That way I can get right into it. Pretty much show you guys where I got things, how I decorated the place. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I decorated pretty affordable, so I'm gonna share some of those things with you guys. So let's jump on into it. All right, so you first walk in, and there is the laundry room right here. I don't want to show you guys just because it's a washer and dryer, boring. But I put this little sign above that I found at Hobby Lobby. And then I also found this little sign at Hobby Lobby, which says his, hers, and has a Paul sign for our keys and her leash. So as soon as you walk in, you have the dining area right here, which honestly, I want to put like a mirror or some kind of like canvas up here. We just haven't got around to it. Really honestly just been able to like buy stuff like that. We just got the necessities. So this is our dining table that we got for like 150 bucks on walmart.com. You guys, I wish this video was sponsored by Walmart. It's not, but you'll notice so much of the stuff is from Walmart because it was super, super affordable. And if you guys check out walmart.com, they have a lot of stuff online that you will never see in stores or expect to. And it's kind of like Amazon because they have stuff coming from like different sellers. So yeah, we got this table from Walmart, and these little salt and pepper shakers, little mason jars from Ross for like $3 or $4. And then this we got from Pier Imports, I think that's what the store's called. I don't know, this is the only thing we bought from there. I've never really been there, but it was on sale. Got it for like 10 bucks, and it fits with our vibe and the color scheme that I wanted to do, so yeah. And then we have Daisy's little water and food bowl, which I don't know where the food bowl's at, so we've just been manually hand feeding her like that. This little sign that I had in my dorm that I got from Ross. And then you come into our kitchen, which is honestly kind of small, but it's okay because like I said, it's just the two of us. And I don't really cook, but these countertops are what sold me on this apartment. They're so freaking pretty. They like sparkle, and they're gray, so I'm a sucker for these. Over here I have my little coffee machine station kind of thing. It's not really anything. I just have like an instant coffee over here. And then this little coffee sign that I got from Hobby Lobby when I had my own apartment. And then I have this little sign, this empty wine bottle that probably isn't going to stay there. I just haven't got rid of it yet. We had brand new stove and microwaves, what's it called? A refrigerator too. And then we have my Ninja machine that I bought for Black Friday and still haven't opened up yet because I want to rearrange all these cabinets. The way that I have everything put up is kind of weird right now. And then I have Daisy's treat little container. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the kitchen. Oh, and then this sign back here I got from Marshall's. I got it for a really good deal. I want to say I got it for like 15 bucks. Not Marshall's, from Michael's. I got the sign from Michael's for about like 15 bucks. I don't know when. It's probably like a year or two ago. It was in my dorm. So I love these little bar stools. We got them from Wayfair. It was a set of 2 for 80 bucks, and they're literally so cute. You can adjust them. They're on their lowest setting, but they definitely go a lot higher. I can't even get on them. When you put them the highest that they go, I look ridiculous, but they fit under here perfectly. So onto the living room. I think I am most proud of myself on any of the purchases that we made for this apartment is these couches. We got these couches for a freaking amazing deal from Ashley Furniture for, before taxes, I want to say it was $5.89 for both a couch and the love seat. And we could have got 2 love seats, which probably would have worked better. In my head, when we did the measurements, I thought, you know, these would have worked perfectly, and they work fine for us, but if you can see, there's a little space right there where the love seat kind of covers the couch. But like I said, it's fine. And then, you know, I have my candle burning on my little coffee table. I always have candles in this house. And this coffee table we got from walmart.com as well for I think $84. I love this coffee table. It literally fits all the vibes I was going for in here, which is like the modern chic, like look. White, classic, chrome, everything. So it literally just fits all, and it's glossy, so I love that. I wanted to go with all glossy furniture, but it was kind of hard to find glossy white furniture. And then you have our little entertainment center. We got this one from Target.com as well. That week they were doing a sale on furniture, and the entertainment area center or TV stands happened to be on that part of it. So we got this for, I want to say, $96 before taxes. And literally just yesterday, Gunnar, like, I'd had him put his movies in there, and I think he put something in here. Oh, he didn't put anything in there. This extension cord. But yeah, so we don't have a lot of stuff. It's just a PlayStation DVD player. This little thing that probably will say the right date 5 times out of the year, but it's not even right now. That's yesterday's date. And then our big old TV that makes this entertainment center look tiny. And this little sign that I wanted to put above there, but I just never did, so it's right there for now. And then one of my favorite parts that I actually really have not used yet is our bar cart that I actually got that bar cart from overstock.com. I think for like $100, $110, $20, I'm not sure. So yeah, I mean, it has some coasters for whenever you have drinks, you know, for that, for whatever, just because I'm scared that this might get messed up. So yeah, coasters, a little cocktail shaker, little sign that says it's always happy hour, Gunner's drinking glasses, my champagne / mimosa glasses. I bought this little thing here, was like $3 or $4 at Home Goods. It's a little glass carafe that I got if, you know, it's Sunday and I'm feeling mimosas. And all these little mini bottles that Gunner's mom got us. And honestly, some random ass bottles that don't really go together. They were just to make other drinks. Our patio is honestly a pretty good size. I got this little patio set from Overstock. I want to say it was like $200 something. It was under $250, but it's literally so freaking cute. And it fits all of us. Daisy even likes to sit in these little chairs. But yeah, I got it so if I wanted to have my coffee outside, I could, but it's been so gross, I honestly have not. And then we sort of strung up some string lights, but you can barely see them because the fence is black and they're brown. And then here we have a little blanket basket for when guests come over, or when we just want to, you know, sit down on the couch and watch some TV. And then we have Daisy's bed with my baby. Oh, my baby girl, I love you. This part, you guys, I was super excited about. So these are like built-in bookshelves. And this is what I have for now. This isn't really how I want them to stay decorated. This is just what I'm kind of working with for now. And then down here, I got these baskets while I was also living on my own in San Marcos. And I got these baskets from Five and Below. They were both $5 each. Her little toy sticking out. And so I put candles in this one. As you can see, I'm a candle junkie. All Bath and Body Works, by the way, which they would also sponsor me. And then this is a basket full of Daisy's toys. You can't even see them, but she has so much toys. All right. Now onto our room. Oh yeah, and then look at my little icicle lights. These are Christmas lights, but they're gonna stay up year round, and they're only on for this video because it's still light outside. Our room, honestly, is nothing special, but this is what we're working with for now. We have a mirror that our friends Jaden and Patricio gave to us. Thank y'all so much, by the way. We freaking love this mirror. So yeah. And then we have our bed, which is also her bed. Yes, she sleeps with us. Yes, we have a white comforter. Was that smart? No. Do I care? Not really. Because I love my baby. And then we also got these curtains from Home Goods. The same one is in here that is in the living room. I wanted to get some that had the rings on top, and then I'm stupid and didn't even look and got some that didn't have the rings on top, but it's okay. And we also got these lamps from Home Goods, and they were probably like 30 bucks each. We got the same exact lamps. They look a little bit different because this one's in front of the light, but they are, you know, a little unique because they're like glass, like artwork, so it's a little bit different. But for majority, they're the same. And then for these nightstands, we also have the same one on each side. So I will show you. Pretty much the same one. And we also got these from Home Goods, and honestly we got them for a really good deal. We got both of them totaled up to 100. One was 40, one was 60. I don't know why. And then we ended up painting them because they were not the same color. I will insert a picture or a video when we were doing that. Gunnar like probably hated me for that. But I loved them so much and we couldn't find the exact one. We actually bought two and he was like, no one's gonna notice they're different. I did, so we painted them. And this bed we got from Walmart.com as well. It is so cute. It has like the nail headboard trimmings and stuff. I wanted to get a tufted headboard, but our bed is tufted, so I was like, let's not do too much. So the bedspread is also from Walmart. I don't know, it was probably like 40, 50 bucks, I'm not sure. And we have a queen size bed. And onto our restroom, which honestly we have not really even used. But yeah, so you have the same countertops, medicine cabinet that we keep pretty much hair stuff, and a big old mirror. I just did my hair for work, so that's why that's there. Yeah, pretty much your basic stuff. Oh, I bought these from Bath & Body Works. They were like 15 bucks, but they're like, I don't know what you would call these, but they're marbled. They're made specifically for their foaming hand soap, so pretty much you just pour your bottle in here and you can replace it. They're 15 bucks, but I had a $10 off a 30 coupon, so I got both of them for like $21, $22 after taxes, so pretty good in my opinion. And then I hate how this is right above this toilet because you can't hang towels from here, so I just have like a hand towel hanging for now. Cabinet space, our tub, which is actually a garden tub. And then our closet is actually in here, but you have to open this door if you want to open it, and then close the restroom door and open this one. And the lights outside, which is weird, but whatever. And literally our closet is full right now. We have our dressers in here, so yeah, we're just not even gonna talk about this for right now. It is color coordinated though, if you recognize. Hello, baby. Now onto my side of the apartment, pretty much. Here is just a little coat closet that he actually puts his jackets in. We have these little TV trays that I also got from Walmart. It was like 56 bucks for all four, and it came with this tray stand. And then this little food thing for Daisy I got from Home Goods. It rolls in the back. So we just keep our food in there. And then this is like a Wii that we haven't set up. And then we keep our games up there for the food that we do have. Oh, and the broom. Now onto the guest bathroom. Same thing as the other restroom, only this one is bigger a little bit. We don't have anything in here in this one. I really need to get, what are they called? The little stands for the rags, because we don't have the little things on the walls here for the hand towels. So I really need to get one of those, because right now we just have it folded up right here. Another toothpaste brush holder, or toothbrush holder, and a bar of soap, and the same hand soap that we have over there. These are not just decoration, by the way. We have actually had people stay and actually use these, so that's why those are there. So yeah. And then I have a little candle over here. I love this scent for restrooms. This is lemon mint leaf. All of my candles are from Bath & Body Works. Not sponsored, wish it was though. And then this little sign that I had in my dorm previously, and it's also from Ross, I think. Our tub, and then we have a linen closet back here. We actually have one in the restroom, but the door covers it. And then these rugs I'm obsessed with. They're just so, like, the design is so unique. We got these from Home Goods, and I only bought one, and I'm mad that I didn't buy two, one for our restroom and one for this one, because I hate the ones in our restroom. But you know what, it's okay, because nobody sees our restroom. Oh my god, breath, guys. Then from the restroom onto my room. And this is where all of the magic will be happening for the most part. You walk in and I have a little shelves. I have some books and journals down here, planners, jewelry holder, and then I have another candle, jewelry holder, and a picture of Gunnar and I from my 20th birthday. And then I got this little futon. I have these pillows. They're from Shop Time LA. I think that's the name of the website. It's literally just like a bunch of like makeup merch, and they also sell actual makeup, but I love those. So yeah. And then I have this little futon here, which I got from Wayfair, I believe. I'm not sure how much it was, but I want to say it was around $150. So yes, it's a futon. You can sit on it, and it also expands to a bed. super easy to do so as well. And then I have a little canvas wall, which I had in my last apartment in San Marcos, and I wanted to do again. So this is kind of what I came up with. I didn't put all of the ones up there. I think I had like 2 left, but this is what I came up with for now. There's another one from Hobby Lobby I want to put on this wall, so I'll probably get that one day. I say probably. And then you have my vanity. And you're like, what the heck, why do you have all these mirrors? But yeah, so I have all of my makeup brushes and then just some decor up here. All of my like perfumes and sprays and stuff. These are the Alex drawers from IKEA and one of the tabletops. The chair I want to say is from Ross or Home Goods. I think it's from Ross. That's my work shirt in there. And then this little bench that is also from Ross that was like $100, but it had like a little stain on it, so they gave it 10% off, so we got it for $90. And then just this little picture of my mom that I haven't found a placement for because I have one in the living room. So yeah. And then the closet, it has another closet in here, and this closet is mirrored. It kind of just has a bunch of junk in here, to be honest. And then another mirror. And then you have another toy basket for Daisy because she's spoiled. This is my room. This is pretty much the reason why we got an apartment. It was so I could have like a filming room. And I'm so happy that I do now. And it came out so cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way, but this is just what it looks like for now. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it for right now. I'm on my phone now because my camera just died, literally as I was about to film the outro. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly have been trying to not like post the apartment on my Snapchat just because I haven't done this video. Not that so many people care, but you know, I didn't just want to start posting, and then because I knew I wanted to do this video, and I knew if I just started posting everything that I was never going to do this video. So here it is now, and I really needed to film it because I want to set up for Christmas, and this apartment is going to look completely different. Not necessarily like I'm going all out, but because we have to rearrange the living room in order to put the tree in here, at least the tree that we got that I wanted. So this is our apartment for now, you guys. I hope that you guys like it. I will probably post some more on our IG stories as I continue to get in more stuff that I want, and for ways that I want to decorate the apartment. Like I want to put a chair and like a little small coffee table in the room, and I just haven't came around to that. We have no canvases up in the living room or anywhere really, so I'll probably like post more IG pics and videos for inspiration and stuff. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you would like to see more from me, and I will probably film another video whenever we do our Christmas decor. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye my loves.